My name's Mark Cardamis and I'm here studying a PhD at the University of New South Wales, so the Computer Science Department, and I'm looking at advanced sensing in agriculture. So the area of research was really looking at new advanced sensing methods in agriculture, so things like what you would see in greenhouses. So some of the sensing technologies were millimetre wave radar or near infrared. So really looking at how we can utilise some of these low-cost sensing methods to get some of the plant physiology. I've got to work under the Future Food Systems CRC, specifically on the IoT for indoor cropping project under the Future Farming program. So my task was to design, build and test new IoT setups to make indoor farming even more efficient. So I was working with Professor Wen Hu, Professor Chung Tung from UNSW and Professor Ula Ganoom at Western Sydney Uni for deeper insights on sensors and plant physiology. On top of that, there's been a backing from industry partners, especially WBS Technology, making it a multidisciplinary effort. So protected cropping is great for controlling the environment, but it still depends on manual checks and sometimes invasive sampling. So these methods can be labour heavy and only really give you snippets of data at certain points in time. Our approach offers a continuous, hands-off monitoring of critical factors like leaf water content and fruit sugar. So growers can get accurate, real-time, continuous information. The automated and accurate measurements of leaf water content and fruit ripeness help greenhouse and vertical farm operators so they can fine-tune things like irrigation schedules or harvest timing. So this helps prevent overwatering, cut down on costs, and lowering the negative environmental impacts from excessive fertilizers. So longer term, it supports more sustainable, climate-resilient farming, and it's a win for both producers and the consumers. So some of the reasons for joining the PhD program: I spent over a decade working in industry, tackling real-world problems using creative methods. So I've always been fascinated by blending tech and agriculture. So this doctoral program really pulled me in because it allows me to merge both my structured engineering part of my brain along with my creativity side, all building practical agriculture solutions. A key factor of joining the PhD program was really the people and expertise that were involved in the project. You know, I think there are experts in both the IoT and the plant physiology side. So I think working in that tight-knit team where you have experts in industry as well as in academia, kind of teaming together and really get to hone in and make impact and really progress on some of these key problems. Going forward, I'm really looking to keep pushing the boundaries of remote sensing research, maybe looking at a postdoc and R&D team in industry. Eventually, I'd love to start a team or lead a research group, either within academia or the private sector, that keeps innovating in data-driven, high-precision farming.